Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the video category for your YouTube videos using the YouTube Studio application, for example on your Android or any other mobile phone. So let us guide you through this. So launch YouTube Studio, log into your account and tap into content here at the bottom. Next guys, what you want to do is, let me just return to the previous menu to show you each step of the process. So once you have tapped into content, tap into view all here in the top right to see the list of your videos on your YouTube channel. Next, swipe through your library and tap into the video you would like to change the category for. You can do this for scheduled videos as well as already published videos. Simply tap into that pencil icon at the top. And next, tap into more options here at the very bottom. And lastly, guys, what you want to do is swipe down and tap into category and select the category from that list. And that's it, guys. Tap into that arrow to the left icon to return to the previous menu. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.